In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Traders Casa for backtesting. So once you create your account, you just have to click on backtest on the left side and then simply click on new session in the top right corner. Now here you can name your session, then you can choose your starting balance, and you can also choose the pair that you want to basically trade. Then choose a date, so you can pick any dates, and then from here you can add a description. Then click on save, and then after that you'll have here your session, so you just have to click on the play button and Traders Casa will open the chart for that specific pair and day. Now as you can see here, we have all these tools that we can use to start and create our strategy. And if you want to place a trade, all you have to do is simply go and click on open position. Here you just have to choose if you want to buy or sell, the entry price, the take profit, stop loss, the risk percentage, the risk amount, and then click on save. So basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.